very cold out here. It's in the 20s. Everything's covered. The valley didn't get nothing like this. This is only up here. See it? It's right down to the ground. There's so much ice on this tree. Branches they didn't break off yet, but they're down to the ground. We had about maybe 4/10 of an inch of ice, and even in spite of it being yesterday being daylight, it didn't all melt. And I just saw a spray plane go by, not spraying. I did video it, but no point if it's not spraying. Passenger plane up there. Not worried about that. Now we get some wind blowing. This could be a problem. See that? I'm sure these branches are going to break off. And of course, that's all covered. Walking through that's pretty tricky. Beautiful. Fortunately, the power company went around last summer and cut the branches away from the line, so hopefully there won't be any issues with that. Look at that. All that weight is down. Right on the ground. In fact, they're bending. All right, that's it.